Hello friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Darcy, where simplicity and elegance is the theme. Today we're starting a brand new series on kitchen Pinterest look. Now the last 7 Fridays I've gone over 27 tips of how to maintain a clean and organized home. And today with this new series we're going to be doing each week a different area in the kitchen for that Pinterest look. And week number 1 is where we're going to be starting with the refrigerator. So come with me and let me show you what my refrigerator looks like now and what it did earlier today. Let's get started. Welcome to our refrigerator. This is after I've cleaned and organized everything. I'll show you the process of how I put everything in soak, all the fruits and vegetables, soaked them in baking soda and water for 15 minutes, then washed and dried everything, fruits and vegetables, and prepped them for the week. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Darcy and I do weekly organizational videos. As mentioned earlier, I am doing a 5-week series on that kitchen Pinterest look, starting with the refrigerator. And of course, next week I'll be doing the pantry. So let me show you the process and how everything was done from start to finish. Today I'll be cleaning and organizing this refrigerator. Let's take a look inside. What I should mention is I just got back from the grocery store, and usually what I do with the fruits and vegetables is I use this bucket and I soak with baking soda, couple tablespoons of baking soda in a bucket, and I soak all the fruits and vegetable for 15 minutes, and then I washed them and dry everything, and then I'm going to prep them and put in the refrigerator. So this is just what the counter looks like. Everything has been washed, including the blueberries, a couple of packages of blueberries. I wash these, dry them, and then I'm going to repack them into the packages from the store. And then I will, of course, do all the prep for the peppers and the strawberries and blackberries as well. So we'll see that, but we'll clean the refrigerator first, and then we'll repack everything nice and neat as we can. So I've just finished wiping out the interior of the refrigerator with some hot soapy water, and now I'm going to pack everything back inside. And then we'll take a look at it at that point. This is what the counter looks like now. Everything is on the outside here, and now I will clean these all up and repack in the refrigerator. And if you know me very well, I use a lot of Lazy Susans, so here are some that I will clean off and put things back in their respective places. Everything is on the stovetop here, so I'll get it all together in just a few more minutes. So here we are. Refrigerator number 1 is all clean and organized. If you notice, there are 2 Lazy Susans on the shelf, and so it helps to rotate the items here. The green smoothie, carrots, Then those are the blueberries and strawberries, and those I've washed and put back into and clean the containers, of course, and put them back in the same containers for easy airflow. And then there's cheese and celery and some drinks. Also, this other Lazy Susan has all the bell peppers and onions that we use for dinner and breakfast. And there's a fruit tray and veggie tray as well. I use both of these for veggie trays because the fruits, except for the apples, are kept outside in the basket. And of course, this drawer down here has all the leftovers in these containers and other fruits that we have ready to be eaten at a moment's notice. This is the side. And this side here. And this small side of the refrigerator has more veggie for breakfast, to prepare breakfast and more breakfast items, as well as coconut milk that we use and in the mornings as well for a smoothie, and almond milk. Now let's take a look at the second refrigerator. So this is the extra refrigerator that has chicken and fish portion sizes for dinner. And then of course the bottom section has all the drinks. Lots of cauliflower because we use that for smoothie, and we also use that for veggie. And of course we have in the Lazy Susan here, we have coconut water and salsa drink, and there's apple juice, lots of water, more veggie, extra eggs, and celery for the smoothie as well, and of course more cauliflower. So this is an overview of both refrigerators as I cleaned and organized them today, and they'll be like this hopefully for a couple more weeks. Thank you so much for watching, and please come back next week because we're going to be doing a pantry reorganization, and that you absolutely do not want to miss. Again, thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you next time in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.